Hey everyone, it's getting a little dark here now in Hua Hin, and I want to take you to some of this alley so you got an idea what this place looks like at nighttime. Alright, so stay here with me. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and pass it around. Help me with this channel. And every Wednesday, hump day, is going to be money day. Stay tuned. Alright, here we go. Wait, I got a new machine. The other Harley Davidson broke down on me, so they gave me a new one. Here we go. Oh, I just passed a nice alleyway there. Hold on a second. I gotta backtrack. Where are we going here? Oh, roadblock. Here we go. This is a nice alleyway. Hello, how are you? Nice dress. It's very nice. Very nice you have there. Very nice.
Can you help me buy coffee?
Yeah, I would love to wear that. I love talking to people. The Thailand people are so friendly. That was straight conversation over a fly. Look at this place. This is Walking Street. Hello, how are you? What do you have here? What is this? Come inside, massage? For a massage? You're gonna give me a massage? Is that it?
No massage.
A what?
No massage.
Oh, no. Oh, this is just to drink. You're gonna drink with me? You're gonna sit with me? Yeah?
Can I take you inside?
All right, I'll be back. I'll be back. That was a lovely lady. Oh, 60 bucks. Ah, happy hour, happy hour. Everything is happy hour now. Oh, we're getting tight. We're getting tight and loose. When it gets dark, this place is jumping. This is Walking Street. Let's make a right here and let's see what's up. Hello, how are you? Well, I don't know. What are you inviting me? You inviting me to eat or what? I don't know where I go. I'm gonna go. Here? Why? What's so special here? Food? A lot of good food? It's all about food, liquor, and women around here. Oh, look at this guy. Go easy here. Hey, what's going on over here? Hey, what's up? Yeah? How about, you got happy hour? Yeah, happy hour? Okay. How much? 90 bahts? Oh, that sounds good. Oh, I'll be back. Thank you. I'll be back. 90 bahts. Wow, that's very cheap. It's about $2. Oh, how are you? What is this, massage?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could.
Back there.
Back there?
Yeah.
Oh, over there? Oh, I'll be back. I'll be back. Okay, yeah.
Come back, not a ring.
Yeah, a lot of massage here. Oh, massage, massage, massage. Oh, boy. Everything is massage. Massage? You gonna give me a good massage here? I gotta see. I'll be back. I'll be back. Look at this place. This place is gonna be jumping tonight. Yeehaw! This scooter is so smooth. Oh, this is nice. Very nice place here. Seaside. Look at that view, huh? Come over here, you can chill. Sit by this beautiful beach. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I don't want to take up too much of your time. Just want to let you know how beautiful this city is. This is just a small little piece of it. Just a few alleys that I went through. But this alley leads to other alleys and other alleys and other alleys. Is great. So take good care of yourselves. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.